Welcome back, folks! In today's episode, we're diving into the world of power tools to uncover the differences between two mighty contenders, the reciprocating saw and the jigsaw. Get ready to understand what each tool brings to the table and where they shine the brightest. Let's start by clearing the air. A reciprocating saw is like a close cousin to the jigsaw. But don't get it twisted. They each have their unique strengths and purposes. Imagine calling Diet Coke a type of Coke. It's that kind of relationship. A jigsaw is a power tool used for cutting intricate curves and shapes in various materials, primarily wood, but also plastic, metal, and even ceramics. It's commonly used in woodworking, carpentry, DIY projects, and artistic endeavors that require detailed and precise cuts. The jigsaw gets its name from the unique up and down cutting motion it makes, similar to the movement of a jigsaw puzzle piece. Jigsaws are valuable tools for a wide range of projects, from cutting out intricate designs in woodworking to making straight and curved cuts in various materials. They are particularly useful when a high level of precision is required, and their versatility makes them a staple in many workshops and toolkits. A reciprocating saw is a power tool designed for cutting a variety of materials using a push and pull motion of the blade. It's often referred to as a recip saw or a sawzall, the latter being a brand name that has become synonymous with the tool itself. Reciprocating saws are commonly used in construction, demolition, remodeling, and DIY projects. It's important to choose the appropriate blade for the material you're working with and to exercise caution when using a reciprocating saw due to its powerful cutting action. Proper safety gear, including eye protection and gloves, is recommended when operating this tool. A reciprocating saw is all about that push-pull action. With its back and forth motion, it's like the workhorse of cutting. Some even come with a pendulum or orbital setting that reduces sawdust during your work. Versatility at its best. But what's it good for? Well, if you're tackling outdoor projects like framing windows, cutting pipes, or diving into demolition work, this is your go-to. And guess what? It's got the guts to cut above your head too. Think nails in a door jamb. Snip, snip, gone. Now, the jigsaw, a tool in its own league. Picture it as the artist's brush of the power tool world. It's a precision tool, curving lines with grace. And hey, guides help you make those parallel or circular cuts with finesse. Need to carve shapes out of different materials? The jigsaw's got your back. Speed adjustments are the name of the game. Crank it up for wood, ease it down for metal or ceramic. Bevel and compound cuts? No problem, just tweak that base. Ever wondered if you can cut a circle with a jigsaw? Well, drill a hole first, then let the blade do the talking. Countertops, ceramic tiles, sheet metal, doors, the jigsaw's got the magic touch. Now, let's talk similarities and differences between these two heavy hitters. Both have a foot at the blade's base, and they dance to the beat of push-pull motion. Oh, and variable speeds? Yep, they've got that too. Reciprocating saws are the kings of outdoor projects and demolition. With a handheld design, they're not your crafters, but they excel at removing door jambs and window frames. Jigsaws? Well, they're the artists. They glide around edges, they're your tabletop buddies, and they're all about intricate cuts. Countertops, ceramic tiles, they handle it like a boss. And there you have it. We hope this article has cleared up the reciprocating saw versus jigsaw confusion. Each tool has its moment to shine, whether it's the brute force of a reciprocating saw or the finesse of a jigsaw. Armed with this knowledge, you're now better equipped to choose the right tool for your next project. So, go ahead, make your cuts with confidence.